I'm Trevor Posenau. I'm an interventional cardiologist here at Virginia Cardiovascular Specialists. I grew up in a family with parents who were in the medical field, and so I think I was exposed to medicine early on. And in college, I studied biology and decided I wanted to become a physician at that point in time. So I grew up here in Mechanicsville, Virginia, and then went to college at William & Mary, went to medical school at the University of Virginia, then moved to Durham, North Carolina, did my internal medicine residency at Duke University, and then I spent 5 years in St. Louis, Missouri at Washington University, where I did my fellowships in cardiology, interventional cardiology, and structural heart disease. In medical school, I was initially drawn to cardiovascular medicine. I enjoyed studying the physiology and the anatomy, and when I began my clinical training, I immediately found that cardiology was the most compelling field for me. Particularly interventional cardiology, because in our specialty, we can take patients who are oftentimes critically ill coming into the hospital with a heart attack, and can very quickly improve their symptoms and oftentimes improve their prognosis. And it's really gratifying to see a patient go from being so sick to leaving the hospital several days later. Our practice offers comprehensive cardiovascular care, and if you're coming to see me, particularly for problems with coronary artery disease or structural heart disease, we have the full capabilities to take care of your issue, whether that be coronary artery stents, TAVR, MitraClip, or primary prevention cardiology. Outside of work, I enjoy spending time with my family. We like to do activities out in the outdoors. I enjoy fishing, kayaking, and also traveling when I can get a chance.